Ugh. Now Penny is asking me to fetch some milk. But why am I looking in here on the shelves when there's refrigerators right there? Probably look around. Because honestly, I've never seen 7-Eleven and Mobius before. Of course, this one's empty. Why do they sell trombones here in the store? It's weird.
Hey, watch where you're going.
Oh, sorry. I was trying to get a Mountain Dew and I didn't see you there.
Jeez, try seeing harder next time.
Well, excuse me. I crawled up in your pants and died.
Jeez, anyway, what is this 7-Eleven?
Basically just like any other market store. It's basically just like any other market store except the different brand names. Honestly, the only thing special about this place is why they're selling trombones and that one shelf. Trumpets, I mean, you know what I'm getting at.
I'm not gonna question it.
Yeah, best not to, because this is Mobius, and still getting used to being a Mobian after all.
Used to being a Mobian? What do you mean?
Well, to clarify, I'm not exactly a Mobian to begin with.
Okay, how?
Well, let's just say where I come from, I'm actually half human, half alien. And when I got here, for some reason the chaos energy particles in the atmosphere of Mobius somehow, let's just say, mutated me into this Mobian husky you're seeing right here.
Mobian husky, huh?
I mean, I don't know why a husky, but it's cool too. And I've been here for a while because, well, let's just say I'm sticking around here because I'm on a hunt for someone who's also here. Oh, I'm Bluestar, by the way.
Bluestar the husky, huh?
I'm guessing in this case you might as well, but Bluestar is more of my superhero name. I would tell you my real name, but I don't think I can. Because secret identity.
Yeah, that's how a lot of heroes are.
Yeah. But yeah, anyways, who are you?
Well, I'm Steve the Cat, the ultimate life.
Wait, ultimate life form? Last time I checked, Shadow the Hedgehog is the ultimate life form.
Yeah, well, I'm the ultimate life form where I'm from. Well, from my dimension.
Oh, different universe, different logic. Okay, gotcha. I'm quite familiar with multiverse theories. Well, sorta, but sometimes they would give me a mega headache to understand.
You ain't the only one.
So, like, if you're like an ultimate life form, as in like one of the prototypes here, or just, you know?
Let's just say some mad scientist created me, tried to get me be his mind's enslaved accomplice, but Shadow.
Does he go by the name Gerald Robotnik?
Or Dr. Eggman? Yes.
Gerald goes by Eggman on that? You know what, I'm not gonna question it, but yeah, I do know a Shadow, in another version of Mobius where that's somehow connected to my universe. I'm still trying to figure it out. How is that even possible? But again, multiverse theory.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Cal is my ultimate bestie from where I'm from.
Oh, really?
Yep, he's the one who, like it said, saved me from becoming Eggman's accomplice, for world dominations and shit.
I mean, it sounds kind of cool having Shadow as a best friend, because normally, for what I know of Shadows, they're usually lone wolves and only care about themselves or keeping their promise to Maria and having to do things alone. You know.
Don't mention that name, please.
Sorry, I forgot that's very sensitive.
Yeah, because, just being respectful to my ultimate bestie.
Okay, sorry. Next, I'll put a note to myself. Next time, don't say Maria to any ultimate life forms. But yeah, anyways, like I said, I'm just here because I recently just moved into an apartment. And, well, my girlfriend already went to get groceries, but she forgot one thing. She forgot a couple of things and sent me out here. That's why I'm here trying to find it.
Let's see.
I'm just hoping a certain anti of mine doesn't show up, try to ruin everything. Cause
Don't
I really
start with antis,
Well, let me tell you, if you ever came across my anti-Bluestar, just a heads up. He's a red Mobian German Shepherd, looks like me but evil.
Noted.
But yeah.
Let's just say there are a couple of antis that really had a real fight with.
Really? Who would that be?
Sailor Anarchy, aka Anti-Sailor Piece.
Oh. Huh. Well, actually, funny thing, the apartment I live in is right next door to hers.
Sailor Pieces?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Well, I wonder what's around this place anyway.
Well, I kind of mistook this for milk, but it's actually bleaches and such. But then again, seriously, why the frick do you sell trombones here? I mean, really?
And I'm not gonna question it.
Yeah. And... oh, here's what I was looking for. And I guess one of these as well. How did I overlook this? Oh, and there's another one, so hang on.
Doritos?
Yep. Let me just float on up here and get it. Yeah. There we go. I think that's everything I could get.
Nacho cheese, Doritos, cool. Yeah, sure.
If I were you, I would recommend the classics. Of course, Cool Ranch is not all that bad, too.
Slurpee, what the heck is it?
Oh. Usually, Slurpees, usually ice, but like turned into soft drinks. But if you ever thought of drinking one, I would recommend not drinking too much unless you're asking for brain freeze. What, you never have ices where you come from?
No.
Oh. Jeez. Wow.
And what are those things?
Oh, those are for each selection of soft drinks you like to drink. Like, I mean, if you ever have any favorite soft drinks.
As a matter of fact, I think I've seen one. I see one that says Dr. Chaos Soda. That's what I drink.
Well, there you go. I mean, hang on. Let me just put my stuff here. I was gonna pay for it later. Just throw it back up there. Because frickin' Mobian. Because the frickin' hides for Mobians. Not to mention big hands. Yep. A little messy too.
The cup's still empty.
What? Dadgummit. Whoa! Well, now it ain't. There you go.
It's still empty, thus it's not.
Well, I swear to logic here.
Hang on a second, let me try. There.
You know what? Yep, there you go. Well, it was full. I guess I must have drank it too fast. Super speed. So, what do you think?
I know it's the same flavor, but it seems sort of different than what's in the can and in the bottle.
Yeah, sometimes you can always, it's always nice to have drinks that you could get out of a nozzle.
Yeah, I guess so.
Anyways, trash can. Yeah, there it is. Anyways, I'm not sure if there's anybody here to pay for it, so... I'll just leave them tips.
Where are those things rolling? Hot dogs? What the?
Oh, they're not made of dogs, so... Honestly, I don't know why they call them hot dogs in the first place, but it's basically just pig meat.
And I think I recognize those two foods. Are they called pizza? Yeah, they are. I remember those.
Pizza?
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah. I usually like bacon pizza. Maybe.
And that thing stand looks kind of weird thing.
Oh, I think it's supposed to add, I think those character card outs is supposed to be store some kind of pizzazz, some eye-catching thing. Honestly, I don't know. I just know they are there.
Mr. Beast Burger? What the heck are those?
Burgers? Oh, burgers is just basically a sandwich that has cow meat in between, along with lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, pickles. You know, it's just like any regular sandwich, except it's more fast food based.
I see. But just in a wrapper?
Oh yeah, I guess it's supposed to keep it warm or something. Or keep it fresh.
But
You can either just tear it open, it doesn't matter how you open it.
it says that it put in a microwave?
What? Oh, yeah, I guess you do need to put it in a microwave because otherwise, if you eat it right now when it's raw, you'll be having tapeworms, dude.
Even though it's the ultimate life form, I'm immune to all disease.
Really? Huh, same here, me with being half alien.
Ah, I guess this is a microwave thing.
Yep. I think you're supposed to read the instructions of how long you should cook it.
Because it's working for itself.
Oh, there it goes.
Huh.
Well, if it's your first time, go for it. And I hope the cashier doesn't mind us being back here. Otherwise, we'd be kicked out of the store, because I've already paid for my stuff.
Yeah, where is it? As a matter of fact, where the heck is anybody, working this joint?
Probably on a long break.
Hey, try this.
How was it?
That wasn't bad, actually.
Burgers are one of the best foods you will ever find here.
Let's see. Let's see.
You know what? Since you've ate that one, I'll just go ahead and pay for all you're eating. Yeah, that's actually a law. If you want something, sometimes when you're in a store like this, if you want something, you're gonna have to pay for it. It's some sort of trade of some kind. Don't worry, I think I paid for everything.
That I'm familiar with. Yeah, that I'm familiar with.
And what the? They made this kind of cereal out of a restaurant called Kentucky Fried Chicken. What the frick?
But for some reason, Reese's Puffs looks sort of attractive.
Oh, that I remember as a kid watching a commercial. I think I actually tried it once. It's really good. It's just like eating a Reese's peanut butter cup, but out of a cereal bowl. It's just chocolate and peanut butter flavored.
I think I remember something about those.
Really?
Yeah. But let's see, from a different dimension, different names.
Yeah, well, if you came from my universe, it's a lot different. For starters, there's no Mobians there. We have animals, but no anthropomorphic kinds.
Let's see.
Unless you count werewolves as one. Yeah, let's just say I have friends of mine sitting back home that is just have different powers of their own, so. But yeah.
Let's see.
Oh shoot! Never realized it's getting late. I should probably get home, or else Penny is probably gonna get worried about me. But
Who is Penny?
my girlfriend.
Oh,
Yeah,
of course.
I brought her here to Mobian too with her own Mobian disguise. She's actually human where she comes from, and let's just say she and I have been together ever since junior high, I believe. We've both already gone past through college levels. Yeah, she knows my secret identity because, let's just say, as part of my origin story, when I developed my half-alien powers, she was one of the very first people I told about, and she kept it a secret. So, if you're gonna know my real name, it's gonna have to be a while, because I have to trust you first. Not that I don't trust you, it's that I can't trust you yet. I mean, you seem like a cool guy, is all.
I just call you Blue Boy.
As long as I get to call you Green Cat, Jesus.
Seriously?
Well, I'm sorry, I think... Because actually, now that I think about it, Steve the Cat, I've heard some friends I've made here saying that they call you Green Cat Jesus, so don't take it, and so don't shoot the messenger.
I'm just getting tired of calling that. I don't know what
Alright, well, I promise that's the only time I get to do that. Hopefully. But yeah. Yeah, anyways, I better get going home. Luckily I got all the stuff, and I think I paid for both of us. Especially for the burger you've ate, so... But yeah, it's nice to meet you, Steve. I mean...
Nice to meet you, Blue Boy.
I mean, could have gone on a better start, but hey, better than nothing. Yeah. Anyways, I should probably get home, and actually, since I got this new Chaotrix, I want to try Chaos controlling out of here. Back to my own world. Still learning how to use Chaos abilities. So... Alright. Well, anyways, you take care, man. Right. Chaos control!